Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 12C. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter passwords and security, and go to screen lock. As you can see, we've got three types of passwords: pattern, pin and classic password. First, let's select password. And now enter at least 4 characters. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select PIN, and enter at least 4 digits. In the end, let's select pattern and create it by connecting at least 4 dots. When it's done, we can go to biometrics, and the first biometric is fingerprint unlock. Firstly, enter it, and now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the back of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now let's use fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, we can add face data, and simply you have to scan our face on this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.